Welcome friends, Fawaz with you from Shastak International. We build warehouses with a lot of passion. So today we are starting a new video series that we are discussing about the major aspects in the warehouse. So first of all, we are discussing about the warehouse foundations. So there are many important things are in warehouses. So we will start from the beginning. That is, of course, it's a foundation. So warehouse foundation. So warehouse foundation is one of the most critical part. If you are asking which one is the most critical thing in the warehouse, I would say it is warehouse foundations. Okay, so let's discuss about the warehouse foundation. So in this video I will give you the importance of these warehouse foundations and various techniques we are using for these warehouse foundation jobs. So before we go into these techniques in the warehouse foundations, first of all let's look what exactly is what is the importance of this warehouse foundation. So I can say the warehouse foundations that will give the integrity and the durability, and at the same time it will give it is a structural base for this warehouse. So let's look at the warehouse foundations, the techniques in the warehouse foundation. So first of all, I will tell you what are the different types of foundations usually is using in the warehouse. That is strip foundations we are using, and the pile foundations. Then there will be a raft foundation will be there. So this completely depends upon the soil conditions and the load capacity, and of course the local also. So like that we are selecting these foundation. So let's go into the warehouse foundation, the steps in the warehouse foundation. So first one is, of course, it's soil testing. Soil testing means that approved engineers or approved labs will come to the this location. That means proposed location, warehouse location. They will take the soil sample, and they will do the testing with the expert engineers. So as per that result, we will design this foundation, warehouse foundation. So once we do all these type of soil investigation and calculation, the very next step is we will start this excavation. So excavation is one of the we have to do it very carefully. Okay, so excavation means we will remove that loose soils, then until it reach to the hard strata. So once we reach the hard base, we're going to compact in that area. So that is for the excavation. So the next step I can say it is the reinforcement and formwork. So reinforcement and formworks, usually reinforcement known as the rebars. So rebars will give the strength and it will equally distribute the warehouse load also. So the formworks, we will do the formworks with this what we call this. There are formwork materials are there like plywoods, and this runner piece like that one we will do the formwork also. So this is the next step. After the excavation, we will do this formworks and rebars works. So once the rebar works and formwork is completed, the next step is pouring of the concrete. So pouring of the concrete is one of the important things. So it needs careful coordination between concrete trucks and truck operators and boom placer and these boom placer operators and the skilled laborers also. So during the concrete pouring, we have to take care many things, because that compaction is one of the important. Not about the compaction, the vibration of that concrete. So these concrete vibrations, this using the vibrator, it will minimize that air pockets in the concrete, and it will give a uniform mix. That means a uniform concrete. So once the concreting is finishing, the next crucial step is curing process. Due to this curing process, it will give the strength for this or concrete. It will create more strength for the concrete with the proper curing. So these are the major steps for these concrete foundations. So for any type of concreting, the proper inspections and checklist is one of the most important things. So for each stage and each steps, there will be inspections and checklist needed. So as per that one, we can make a better foundations, better concrete foundation. So these are our first video. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss the next important aspects in the warehouse constructions. I hope this video is useful for you. If you feel you will get insights from this video, do share and comment if you have any questions. So thank you, thanks for watching, keep sharing, thank you.